This video is an overview of the basic setup of the Midmark IQvitals Zone Vital Signs device. Always refer to the appropriate technical documentation for the complete list of instructions, safety alerts, and sequence of procedures before conducting any service or maintenance operations. In this video, we will walk you through the setup of your IQvitals Zone product using your selected mounting option, a mobile cart, articulating wall mount arm, or the integrated wall mount arm. Most of the instructions are common to all three options. Please note that if you are mounting IQvitals Zone to a wall mount, you will need to ensure that the wall mount is securely installed in the desired location prior to setting up the IQvitals Zone product. Device unpacking and contents. The IQvitals Zone shipping carton contains the following items: IQvitals Zone device, AC power supply kit, IQvitals Zone USB cable, reusable adult blood pressure cuff, reusable large adult blood pressure cuff, 6.5-foot blood pressure hose, Exergen temporal scanner thermometer, Exergen disposable caps, temperature module cable, 15-inch laptop tray, main storage bin, 2 3-arm knobs, cable cover, QR code sheet, quick reference guide, warranty card, setup guide, product symbol guide. Depending on the model of IQvitals Zone purchased, the contents may also include Massimo or Nelcor reusable adult SPO2 finger sensor, 4-foot Massimo SPO2 patient cable, or 4-foot Nelcor SPO2 interface cable, IQvitals Zone wireless USB dongle. Upon receipt, check the contents to confirm all items are present and inspect them for any signs of damage. If an item is missing or damaged, please contact Midmark Technical Service for a replacement. Setup instructions. Step 1. For the articulating wall mount arm option, place the power supply into the holder behind the bracket and place the cable between the tracks in the front of the main bracket. With the temperature module cable attached to the front storage bin, align the latches to mount the bin, and place the temperature module cable with the power supply cable. For the integrated wall mount arm option, place the power supply in the power supply bracket. Be sure to move the keyboard tray to the side to simplify setup. Connect the temperature module cable to the front storage bin. Snap the front storage bin to the main bracket. Lower the device with the metal tab through the cutout in the support wand. Slide the IQvitals Zone device onto the top of the main bracket. Make sure the mounting plate underneath the device grasps to the outside of the main bracket. Tighten with 1 3-arm knob. Thread the cable from the power supply through the cutout in the supporting wand and connect to the power connection on the back of the device. Now thread the temperature module cable through the cutout in the supporting wand and connect the cable to the temperature probe connection on the back of the device. For the mobile cart option, connect the temperature module cable to the bottom rear of the front storage bin. Then, place the cable between the tracks in the front of the main bracket, toward the bottom of the bracket. Step 2. Align the top and bottom latches of the front storage bin onto the main bracket. Please be sure that the cables do not get pinched. Then, slide the bin down and snap it onto the bracket. Next, slide the cable cover onto the main bracket, over the temperature cable. Step 3. Slide the device onto the bracket of either the mobile cart or the wall mount. Secure the device with the 3-arm knob. Step 4. Connect the temperature module cable to the back of the device. Step 5. Connect the cable from the Exergen temporal scanner thermometer to the bottom of the front storage bin and place the thermometer probe in the cradle of the front storage bin. Step 6. To connect the blood pressure cuff, connect the NIBP hose to the port and a blood pressure cuff to the NIBP hose. Wrap the excess hose around the cable wrap and store the cuff in the main bin. Step 7. If your IQvitals Zone device came with an SPO2 function, connect the SPO2 patient or interface cable to the SPO2 port on the device. Then, connect the SPO2 sensor to the patient or interface cable and wrap the excess cord on the side of the storage bin. Step 8. If you are connecting the IQvitals Zone device to a computer through a USB port, plug the IQvitals Zone USB cable into the custom USB port on the device. Connect the other end of the USB cable to a PC or compatible device. Step 9. Now you are ready to plug the power supply cord into the AC power port and attach the AC power cord to the power supply. Step 10. To mount the laptop tray, align the grooves of the laptop tray with the edges of the device. Slide the tray forward and secure the tray to the device using the 3-arm knob. Step 11. Plug the power supply into a standard 115-volt receptacle. Be sure to fully charge the battery for at least 6 hours before using the device for the first time. Computer setup. If you are using the IQvitals Zone device with a computer, you must first install the appropriate IQvitals Zone plugin software on the computer. To install the appropriate software, please reach out to Midmark technical support prior to installing your device to allow for immediate operation of your device. To use the Midmark Zone technology, you will need to plug the IQvitals Zone wireless USB dongle into an available USB port on the mobile computer. Scale setup. To connect the IQvitals Zone device to a Midmark 626 barrier-free examination chair with the integrated digital scale, plug one end of the Midmark digital scale serial cable into the scale connection on the back of IQvitals Zone and the other end of the scale cable to the vital signs connection on the 626. If using the 626 chair connectivity kit, plug the RJ11 cable into the back of the chair and the other end into the wall data port. Next, plug the second RJ11 cable into the wall data port, and then connect the cable to the IQvitals Zone device. To connect a Fairbanks Tellaway digital scale, plug the cable from the digital scale into the scale connection on the back of IQvitals Zone. Please note that the Midmark 626 with digital scale, the Midmark digital scale serial cable, and the Fairbanks Tellaway scale are sold separately. For more detailed information about setting up your device, please refer to the IQvitals Zone user guide. For further support, contact Midmark Technical Support at 1-844-856-1230, option 2.